Hello, this is Kevin Hogan at Invigorating Waters in Sheboygan Falls, and tonight I would like to introduce you to GreenTech's pureAir 50. This is what it looks like inside the box. This is what it looks like how it would be inside your home, plugged into the wall. We're simulating plugging into the wall, but take a look at the unit. It's operational right now. The green light is on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the unit off before cleaning by turning this to the left. Now the unit is ready to be cleaned. If I take a look at the inside where the air, the purified air comes out of the unit, I might see little tiny white crystals. That's an indication that this unit needs to be cleaned. Cleaning is really quite simple. It's a matter of turning the unit around and using a vacuum to clean the back side. No need to take this apart at all. You just vacuum that out. And then on the front side where the purified air comes out, you're going to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. You're going to clean the inside of this by slowly turning and pushing the Q-tip in until you meet resistance. Turn it a few more times, making sure that you get everything clean. Turn the Q-tip around, and then you're going to be drying it out with the other side of the Q-tip. Once the unit is clean, it's ready to be plugged back into the wall, and we'll simulate the wall by plugging that in. Turning the unit on. When I first turn it on, you'll hear a click and you'll see the green light come on. As I dial this to the right, it increases the amount of purification. So what's really happening is we're getting activated oxygen being produced as well as ionization. That's going to help take care of viruses and bacteria in the air as well as on surfaces. So the pureAir 50 from GreenTech. We have them available in stock right now. The cost is $49. If you're interested, come on into Invigorating Waters. We'll give you more details. We can take you through the owner's manual of the pureAir 50, and you'll be able to actually see the unit in progress right here in our store. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video.